Greetings, my people. Afambo Mazoya Kachukwu. I know many of you will be surprised today to see me making videos with English language. Yeah, I'm making this video and it is titled Speak to Fix, Not to Wound. It's about this saga between Very Dark Man and B-Lord, and which have escalated to Very Dark Man and the Igbos. I want to be sincere here. I know that 99% of my followers are Igbos. They are my people, and they love me for the things I do. But I'm going to be objective here. I want us to think critically. Very Dark Man erred. Yes. Because at a point, he took it far. Because that's why I titled it, Speak to Fix and Not to Wound. He have been fixing things. Let's face the fact. But this time, he spoke to wound. The main point here is, why do we forget so easily the good things that people does? Everybody, when you are doing well, everybody will be looking at you, observing you. When you are doing well, they will not come to say that you are doing well. They won't. But just make one mistake, you will see everybody against you. They try to catch fun. They try to make mockery of you. They do so many things to bring you down. Because I can see so many of Igbo big content creators. Now everybody's down, being against Very Dark Man. You did this. You are fighting the Igbos. You are doing that. You are doing that. But when this guy was fighting for good governance, fighting for people, giving people hopes, restoring people's properties and so many things, many of us didn't come out to encourage him, to speak good of him. Yeah, to you, Very Dark Man, yes, you said that you are the king of the media. You are right. When you call yourself the king of the media, now you are, because it's turn by turn. You hold the space now. Nobody is disputing that. But beware of pride. Even though I don't blame you much, because if I were you, if I were to be in your shoes, have the kind of followers, supporters, and everything, I might get pride more than you. It's possible. But you know the world we are into now. The fake producing company will want to have sincere workers. A lying spouse needs a truthful partner or wants a truthful partner. A deceptive man and woman of God wants faithful followers. Even content creators living fake lives, indulging in so many bad things. They want sincere followers, active ones for engagement. They want people to believe them, believe everything they say. Even when they want to deceive the masses, they will still want people to believe them. But I think you should focus more. No, you want to fix everything once. No, a rolling stone gathers nothing. You see that your humanitarian jobs, you see that which people know you with, maintain it. Don't deviate from it. You can be doing other things. Yes, it's fine. I know you want to fix things. But you know we human beings, we always look for your mistakes. So please. And everybody wants to catch. People use this opportunity to chase cloud, to get engagement. And this is what they want to hear. They want to say that, which people want to hear. Sometimes I will tell you what you need to hear and not what you want to hear. So, Very Dark Man, your apology to Igbo is apologetic. It's not a real apology. If you can humble yourself, come out, apologize to them that you overstepped the boundary. I know quite all right you are trying to fix things. You are speaking to fix things. But at a point, you spoke to wound. So please, just do the normal apology. Face your things. Keep doing what you are doing. I've been into it. It's not easy. It's not easy. People will criticize you. But guess what? People of like minds will like you. They will like what you are doing. So keep on doing good things and it will be well with you. This is the life we find ourselves into. Remember where you started. You see that activism. Don't forget it. Don't allow any other thing to distract you. Don't deviate from it. We love you for that and you are doing well. I'm a true fan. I confess. Because so many people are going through a lot in the hands of fellow people. So keep it up. Keep doing well. Don't lose focus. I myself like what you are doing. Speak, but speak to fix and not to wound. And to my fans out there, like I always said, I said, Udo, draw your natural Udo. Mamata na koheseme, kekwese. You can now translate it in English, maybe in the comment section. Let's laugh. We are not going to be mean all the time. Sometimes we have fun, but we face reality. Yagasi.